Aktres na si Kim Chiu, nagsampa ng reklamo laban sa kanyang kapatid na si Lakam Chiu. Sinampahan ni Kim Chiu ng reklamong qualified theft si Lakam Chiu sa Quezon City Prosecutor's Office. Ibinalita ni MJ Philip ng ABS-CBN News na nanumpa si Kim sa piskalya nitong Martes, December 2, 2025. Nakasaad sa Revised Penal Code na ang qualified theft ay pagnanakaw ng pag-aari ng iba at pagsira sa tiwala ng taong pinagnakawan. Ayon sa Respicio.ph, ang parusa para sa qualified theft ay prisyon mayor o reklusyon temporal kung mapatunayang maisala ang inirereklamo. At maaaring maparusahan ang maisala ng reclusion perpetua kung ang ninakaw ay nagkakahalaga ng 4.4 milyon o higit pa. Matagal nang usap-usapan online ang matagal nang iniindang family problem ni Kim Chiu. Matatandaang noong June 2025 ay magkasama pa sina Kim at Lakam nang ipagdiwang nila ang Father's Day kasama ng amang si William Chiu. Ngunit noong August 2025 ay naiulat ang pag-unfollow ng dalawa sa isa't isa sa kani-kanilang Instagram account. Kasunod nito ay ipinost ng aktres sa kanyang Instagram account noong August 2025 ang video ng kanyang life update. Kung noon ay panakanaka ang pahiwatig ng aktres sa kanyang cryptic posts sa social media, ngayon ay naglabas na siya ng kanyang opisyal na pahayag ukol sa isyu nila ng kanyang kapatid. Inamin ng aktres na may kinalaman sa pera ang isyu nilang magkapatid. Ayon sa aktres, napag-alaman daw niyang may nawawala umanong substantial amounts of money mula sa business assets niya. Sinabi rin niyang masakit umano para sa kanya ang pinagdadaanan nila ngayon ng kanyang kapatid. Ayon pa sa kanya, napilitan daw siyang idemanda si Lakam hindi lang para protektahan ang kumpanya niya, kundi pati na rin ang mga empleyadong umaasa sa kanyang mga negosyo. Hindi naman binanggit ng aktres kung alin sa mga negosyo niya ang nakitaan ng financial discrepancies. Ito ang nakasaad sa official statement ni Kim. I am issuing this statement with a heavy heart and with deep respect for the truth and for the people who have supported me throughout my career and my business journey. After careful consideration and months of internal review, I have made the difficult decision to file a legal case for qualified theft against my sister, Lakam Chiu, in relation to serious financial discrepancies discovered within my business operations. This decision did not come easily. It is one of the most painful steps I have ever taken in my life. As many know, I built my business ventures with hard work, passion, and trust in the people I love. Unfortunately, substantial amounts connected to my business assets were found missing. These discoveries forced me to take formal action to protect not just my company, but also the livelihoods of the people who work with me and the integrity of everything I have built. This is a private family matter that has now become a legal process. I am choosing transparency, responsibility, and accountability, not only for myself, but also for the brand and community that has supported me from the beginning. I ask for understanding, respect, as our family navigates this very difficult chapter. I am hopeful that through the proper legal channels, clarity and fairness will prevail. Despite this painful situation, I remain committed to my work, my supporters, and the continued growth of my business ventures. I also continue to pray for healing and resolution for everyone involved. Thank you for your support, compassion, and respect during this time.